going on, everybody? Welcome back. So, hey, today we working on the 5.0, So, unfortunately, we got it up on a jack stand and a jack. I'd rather not be working on an incline, but the car does not start. And what we're going to do is replace the starter. So, I already had picked up the starter. I'm going to tell you right now, oh my God, what a pain in the ass to get a damn starter. I don't know if everybody buying them all up. God damn. Shit. Hard to come by. And then when you do find it, you better hurry up and get on it. Somebody else jump on it. Well, back to it though. Back to it. We're gonna go ahead get this starter replaced so we can get out of my mama little Beetle turbo. Look at that. You hear that shit? Turbo. Well, yeah, appreciate you, mother, for letting me drive your vehicle while I get my car up and running. I do have my little F-150, but that bad boy need cats. So good luck to me getting out of the neighborhood with it choking down and putting, and you already know how much it costs to just put some cats on the vehicle. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into this video. Moment of truth. Will it start? Should I find out? What's good, guys? What's good? My GoPro died on me, but we got the car back up and running. Went on the test drive, and it's alive. We can drink to that. But yeah, so turn it down. But all said and done, starter took a crap. Tried to go started this morning to go to work and nothing. And I was like, I could take an Uber to work, Uber back home, you know, I was like, well, let me take care of this situation. That way I can free up my weekend. I had to be worrying about this. So that's what we did. So we'll go ahead and start it one more time. It's live. So back up and running. So if you're new to the channel, appreciate you watching. Subscribe, like, and stay tuned for my next video. And for all the ones that are subscribed, I appreciate y'all staying locked in and supporting the channel. And let's continue to grow. You know, I try to get some new content up and coming. I got to do a few more things to the 5.0 maintenance wise, so that way when it's time to get down and boogie, we ready. You know, also got to pull the transmission back out, change the slave cylinder, but that's about it. So you know, this is my shop right here, y'all. Auto Pro SE. We located in Burleson, Texas. So if y'all need something done, give me a shout out. Hit me up on my landline 214-463-0437, and I assist you the best way I can, and I help you the best way I can. So appreciate y'all. We out.